tactical withdrawal in Jonglei by the SPLMA. We began in northern Jonglei state. The opposition group SPLA-IO, under first by President Dr. Riek Machar, has confirmed that it withdrew its fighter from several towns. These include Pajut, Yuai, Pieri, Patai, and Motot. Thank you for joining Changfied YouTube channel. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please aid us by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. We have several stories that we are going to share with you. The South Sudan Government Army, SSPDF, has announced that it had recaptured these towns: Pajut, Yuai, Pieri, Patai, and Motot. But according to SPLMA, under first by President Dr. Machar, they stated that they withdraw from the area, and that withdrawal was not a defeat. Instead, they call it a tactical move. SPLA-IO spokesperson Pullout explained that the move is part of a larger strategy. He stated that our forces, SPLA-IO forces, move to study government troops and plan future operation. We are not defeated. We are still strong. The SPLA-IO, or the opposition, claim that the government army committed serious abuses in town they entered. The SPLA-IO accused the government, SSPDF, that they alleged killing of civilians, looting, burning of homes, and even sexual violence against women. Pullout called these acts genocide. Meanwhile, the SSPDF spokesperson, Major General Lu Kong, praised government soldiers for retaking the town and receiving weapons abandoned by SPLA-IO fighters. He encouraged civilians to stay away from the opposition and urged displaced people to return to their home. According to the analysis, northern Jonglei has been unstable for years. Tone often change between the opposition and government forces. Civilians are caught in the middle, facing displacement, loss of property, and disrupted life. SPLA-IO insists their withdrawal is temporary and strategic, but the government of South Sudan under President Salva Kiir Mayardit want to strengthen control in the region. For the people living in these areas, the main concern is safety. Many families have already fled, and some are waiting to see who controls their town next. This situation is uncertain and dangerous. Let's look at the airstrike on MSF hospital in Lankan. Our next story is about a serious strike or airstrike in Lankan, Neural County, Jonglei State. This attack hit a hospital run by Medicine Sans Frontiers, or MSF, and forced the MSF to evacuate patients. Commissioner Peter Gatkwat Kong Dwar say the strike happened around 8:30 p.m. on February 3rd. The hospital compound, including a storage area for food and medicine, was damaged. The commissioner said the weapon used may have been similar to cluster bomb, which were used in the same town on December 30, 2025, killing 14 people and injuring 17 others. Patients, including those on oxygen and IV treatment, are to be moved quickly. Medical staff also fled with their families, leaving critically ill patients without care. Commissioner Gatkwat emphasized that Lankan is a civilian town with no army force, and attack on a hospital violates international law. Repeated attacks on civilian areas are very concerning. Humanitarian groups and local authorities are asking the United Nations, Africa Union, and International Court to investigate and hold responsible parties accountable. Volunteers and elder partners are now documenting damage and helping assess losses. The town residents are calling for justice and protection. Hospitals are supposed to be safe places. Attacks like this make life even harder for people already living in conflict zone. It also showed the urgent need for peace and security in Jonglei. Let's move on to our next top story. A worrying story from Juba. The executive director of the National Press Club, Poverty, Alfred, was robbed by army men while walking home. This happened around 6:30 p.m. on February 3rd, 2026 in Dar es Salaam Street. Alfred told local media that 4 army men on motorbike tried to take his belongings. They managed to steal one of his smartphone, but he was unharmed. Police have not yet made a statement about the robbery. While the incident happened, the incident may seem small compared to conflict in Jonglei, it highlights safety concern in the capital city. Army robberies like this can create fear, especially among journalists and public figures. To summarize all of this, in northern Jonglei state, SPLMA has moved troops as part of a strategic plan, while South Sudan People Defense Force, SSPDF, claimed victory. In Lankan, an airstrike hit a hospital, forcing patient evacuation and raising serious concern about civilian safety. In Juba, army robbery show that even city residents are not safe. For people in South Sudan, the main concern is peace and security. Civilians continue to suffer as towns change and hospitals are attacked and crime rises. We will keep watching these stories and bring you updates as they happen. Thank you for staying with us. Mi jiram jidit gua same ka Changfied YouTube channel. Bana raketin kona lat Carodian. Te kon keri poni jidiene ke te paiben te bukon kaling. Report ni aman ban writing guasme ban recommend chala kume SPLMA. Kume SPLMA men pin first by President Dagmachar kan chari in watch rei win tin kon te chicken ka cap. Right kon kari dan to kan osan Jonglei state. SPLMA chicken confirm no chari in watch. Ka witung wan. Chorin wo ka pajut Cherodin wika yai, cherodin wika kapiri, cherodin wika patai, cherodin wika motot. Can we take a witty can cap? ka jo chikan lat gwas me kana chikan mutual tactical withdrawal chikan lat lo charin which ko lo kano bi civilian bi kliu SPLIO chiki jien dundo chi South Sudan government de nika LSSPDF chikan announce and wo chikan ka recapture ke chikan ka kamyo ko kuma SPLMA ka SPLIO kon ku withdraw ne wo ne roda kana tactical move Kajama chalat gwasame SPLMA spokesperson Pal Maidang chala do wonena ajena ta ajen kan gajere wuje kana tactical ke larger strategy kake kana chinero da wuch ko bine kume SSPD abawerich kana defeat we are not defeated ngoda bumnay kume SPLMA joran kana lat Shikuma SPLIO shela da gwan wonena akane shikume kirma yadi deni SSPDF awa chika riktin wanti kan galat chika dwirin wanti kan galat re niten kona chika chopten wa kan chika civilian chikan nganak chikan kwak chikan ga kwal chika dul chikan kawang wa ka chika menba chikan kaping ka bom ipal mai de anke jomo cha jalat ajena mishir kana me let can genocide a hack of genocide ka jodan shalat gwaseme pal mai dang mala spokesperson ko kuma SPLIO dundo ko kume moraike akirmi yadit SSPDF ti major general lure kong chela do nene liaken de SSPDF ko chicken area anti chicken ga cap ko ikana captain kuma SPLIO akalat kan no chicken match te chake bu kuma SPLIO chikan nga nyok makep kan ka ajo kan de konti lan wori tente ka jonglei ke ti garakten kon channel at gwasmen go lonye jok lonye re wich e malche ben duno chi jandan chala kuma SPLIO kane kon woine ne roda ko binei ta dan te ke de SSPD abne ngajinu atam tede kane ngej kaka kane koter kaka chagro da woire wich ajot ko ngai kon dial manan chod lat tel man mi chayot cha woni rodiana mat re wich chicken kuma SSPDF chicken ga jago wo gare winter to akane chine goro civilian bika liu ko target dun kuma kai liu ku kan target civilian mene di chalat gwas meno shanak waga ne kon widen chigo bom tinyi do re rak ano don chaga binnak ne kon la dini SSPDF ne kon en chiro chicken ling wa chiga jien chigo win de koken kuma SPLIO chicken civilian jo no biarun dil watch bine kula lor dot ke deni SSPDF ja jo me chaila de ken jen minen kono no chete displacement midin mi chitwo china jien re wini ka chi kuma SSPDF chi lo berech cha kwakten kon la kwak civilian kan ga kwal kan dial ka wan kan ka mena tech rele ja ka kuma SPLIO akane kan nei dual dino game nei ni kuma kirmi yadit ko babare wit alor atel kor men latke kuma SPLIO akan misha tactical withdrawal long ne no bu korba to jang ne ro ko bene kum gejeno kum terkano they want to study ta da kum kirmi yadit kaje ngai kon mi kan lat ka pajut and de ni SPLIO gejeno the same thing will happen kan ninten be cha jo kulu tubuno ne dial konti ke rian kon akab kume mi cha e chol de ni SSPD abno lwany wich chalo ire wiko korngoda ajen mi jen ke de ni SPLIO ko bne dial kola sibrian barin wich re wich kano cha dul cha ka bedak manyam long payote nyam cha hom cha ka bedak ke dul kontin la nying wore gol kano bu kume SSPD abu ko rar kene de ni SPLIO bachi jandana chalat akume SPLIO menon kon kari pore me gwan mi cha bilwal MSF ki hospital re wika Lankan chaje book wukon ka Lankan ki Nyirol County ka Jonglei State kari pore chalat chukume SSPD chicken gunship chicken jack ko bedul wal bajo book dul wala mo edung medicine sans frontiers KMSF chikan dulal chikan book chiga GMSF jako barin which area kanamo ko chikan dul chikan dak KMSF wajen amelal ka ngake akuma kirma yadit chi commissioner maintain winimi yala da wonene majen sha use akuma kirma yadit commissioner shale Peter gat kot kong door yala no en boko Lankan ke dulwal medical sans frontier boka jaka ta badak mateka 30 ke 30 pm kaware you can hospital compound you can book you can wal kan kon miten wen mo you can ka wan kan dial ka joran chalat gwasme the commissioner Peter got kot kwang door chala do nene ajena majin cha use a dene SSPDF ajena jen maje cha kon use ka chang jandang jok ka pai wero ron kin dang ro jandang ro de dich gwasmi chane de chok wel wan cha ga ne tin kume SSPDF wala kume kirme yadit kana ne dangul baro de shamu ka bot ya jomo che jala no chicken menchual ke cluster bomb chicken use maje tike chemical ikin yadi je nyoko use and maje me ka joran chalat ajane shi medical sans frontier chicken ba ko chicken kanalat kaneten kon tin dolwal ajane den kon tin jagare ga long kanete kon gorka jom tin gorka oxygen kaneten kon te ka IV treatment ko ba go gwada dan dolwal tin ko dolwal jen cha targeto nere kon la medical staff ke la dolwal charen barka shimana kenkel majang nere kon te ka jwat dit ko big dollar bang etele kanete kon tin la doctor ci gat kot ci jomo ci jalat ano Lankan ador mitene civilian tin tel de militan Lankan tene civilian tin tel de ne SPLMA tin tene kanete kon la normal people la civilian awana me a deliberate target ka kuma kirmi yadit ko ne me a violation of international law mi ba dor min la dulwal mitela ne ri tintel de mi tene civilian tin ba je boko jendan cha kon lan medan mi chanen ka fan gak chanen bok nasir gotun wan la targene dulwal ko jen gwada tin na tikitin karamimo muko targene dulwal mi diaramo chele la yumen ni mo ko shi ci hospital ci de target gwan mutin sent patient tikitin mu gor kan kode kan yin kan de kon tin la dinya so mu ci na me wa media cha jo kullat gwasame ano ji humanitarian group can local authorities can United Nations Africa Union can international court and by investigation by jalat the repeated attack on civilian village can organization in kontuk well tinget kan ite konti la jiwich kaja ke kam kan ite kon la jiwich moy ka kawal ko bitik den bagwa ke kan kum ta to the investigation de jalat ku ko cha dul wal cha de abuke akume kajano kume kem yadit bo melade woje humanitarian ke logo jano de ne konti la ji humanitarian de kan ga moy kawal kuma kem yadit ko refuse no de ji humanitarian de kan wal de kan ganang re wuje danan cha kef kitin ja control akuma SPLMA right now right kone cha restriction cha jela de kuma kirmi yadit medan me shi ajo dan shaling me chala de general lure kong joga nasan wone ne waje rudun ke SPLMA control area ya ka warning bo men humanitarian o waje rudun but gotten content de humanitarian tin ka godde tele dangerous tin jem ko ni gwad me ko commissioner en Lankan tele de nyatin bal systematic way mo kwa target nene te konlan werke ja so report me da la madan de konding leran do dien gwasme wiki Juba te ramal executive director national press club kapabati urshal Alfred jana wajen chaja majra wiki Juba and it like sure wajen jena ke 6:30 pm ana wachanga doko pai dok chang jo pairo ron kin dar yandang ro bakale me ka area actually Dar es Salaam ai Dar es Salaam street ajani cha jamach Alfred Chela do ne chaba ke local media jani ne dang wan jel ka mech cha mak jel kan ga motorbike to kana no de ka kwa de kan kan jani cha no ba ka jago chicken yang chicken de nang bat chicken telephone da chicken na jani tel riek chicken latka chicken nang telephone karwade kan police ne tel statement michigan release tel jom chicken jak so right now bana ngaje gwana wodi mishu na ka city ka capital city de la lat kan de control ordinary people ko le pegde kake so me bej so report me da la jena dana gore de nya kon kel mi jiram jidit gwaseme Changfied YouTube channel goro no jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell je join ko mi tem ci bare gwaz bi chamala shi bikiji an bi ataka mal bye bye